Hello, fellow flower lovers. I'm thrilled to welcome you to HH Beauty Garden, a place where we share our passion for cultivating beautiful blooms. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of propagating roses. If you've ever dreamt of having more of these stunning flowers, you're in the right place. We're going to share a super simple, yet incredibly effective method to germinate, care for, and create your own fresh rose plants. If you love flowers as much as I do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join our growing community. Thanks so much, everyone, and have a beautiful day. Step 1, preparing your rose cuttings. First things first, we need to prepare our rose cuttings. Choose a healthy flower and carefully remove all the leaves. This is a crucial step. By removing the leaves, we help the cutting reduce water loss, allowing it to focus all its energy and nutrients on developing new roots. Cut the flower stem, leaving about 4 to 5 inches. Make a clean cut just below a node. Soak your rose cuttings in plain water for about 15 minutes. This helps to reduce the shock to the cutting before we move on to the next steps. Step 2, the secret ingredient, tomatoes. Now for our secret weapon, ripe tomatoes. Take a ripe tomato and cut it into small pieces. Tomatoes are incredible because they contain natural auxin, which is a powerful plant growth hormone that significantly promotes root formation. But that's not all. Tomatoes also contain beneficial enzymes, vitamins A and C, and organic acids. These all work together to fight off harmful bacteria and stimulate those crucial meristem cells, giving your cuttings the best possible start. Step 3, blending and boosting with honey. Let's turn those tomatoes into a rooting elixir. Place the tomato pieces in a blender and add about 1 cup or 250 milliliters of water. Puree the mixture until it's smooth. After pureeing, filter out the tomato pulp. We just want the liquid gold. To this tomato juice, add a spoonful of honey. Honey is an amazing addition because it has natural antibacterial properties, which are vital for protecting your cuttings from fungal infections. Plus, it contains small amounts of enzymes that further stimulate rooting. Soak your rose stems in this powerful mixture for about 20 to 60 minutes. Step 4, the perfect growing medium. While our cuttings are soaking, let's prepare their new home. I like to use a mixture of sand and coconut fiber as my growing medium. Combine sand and coconut fiber in a 2:2 ratio. This combination is truly fantastic for plant growth. Loose sand provides excellent drainage, preventing waterlogging and root rot. Nutritious coconut fiber retains moisture well and offers a great environment for roots to establish. After your flowers have soaked for about 30 to 60 minutes, use the leftover tomato juice mixture to moisten your sand and coconut fiber mixture. Mix it thoroughly until it's evenly damp. Pour the moistened mixture into a cup to serve as your growing medium. Use a tool to make small holes in the growing medium. This helps to avoid damaging your delicate cuttings when you insert them. Carefully place your rose cuttings into the holes. Cover the planted cuttings and store them in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. Step 5, nurturing your new roses. Patience is a virtue in gardening. After about 10 to 20 days, you'll start to see many new shoots and roots emerging. This is such an exciting moment. We need to give our new plants a little more time to stabilize their roots and become robust before their final transplant. Once they're well-rooted and healthy, transfer them to a new pot with more nutrients. You can use a high-quality potting mix, perhaps one that includes nut fiber or loose soil, which are great for continued growth. Remember to mist your new rose plants regularly to maintain humidity, especially in the initial stages. And just like that, with a little help from nature's wonders, you'll have beautiful rose plants. What other flowers are you hoping to propagate next? Let me know in the comments below.